Oh, look at this angelic creation. Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to show you how to make some cornbread with some good honey cinnamon vanilla butter. Let's get it. We're going to start off with our dry ingredients with equal amounts of cornmeal and all-purpose flour, some granulated white sugar, and some brown sugar. The brown sugar is going to add another layer of deep molasses flavor and moistness to the cornbread. A little bit of baking powder, baking soda, and some salt. Give that a quick whisk and set it aside, and let's get on to our wet ingredients. I'm going to start off with some eggs. A little bit of salt to help break up the yolk from the egg whites, and just give this a quick whisk. To this, I'm going to add in some buttermilk. The buttermilk really helps keep the cornbread moist, and the acid in it reacts with the baking soda to help it rise. A little bit of vegetable oil, some melted butter, and lastly, some honey. And let's just mix all this goodness up. If you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full recipe. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep seeing more delicious recipes that you can make at home. Alright, that looks well incorporated, so I'm just going to add the wet ingredients to the dry and just combine this all together. Cornbread has such a rich history and is hotly contested. Sugar or no sugar, should it be cakey or not? But one thing is for sure, it always tastes better when it's made in a cast iron skillet. And that's exactly what we're gonna do. Right, so I'm gonna butter this baby up really well and throw it in the oven with that extra butter at 350 degrees for a couple of minutes until my butter gets all nice and bubbly and is exquisitely browned. And here's the key. Pour your batter into the brown butter and you gotta hear that sizzle. That's how you know you're doing it right. And this is what's gonna give you that nice, crisp brown crust. And off it goes to the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. While it's in the oven, I'm gonna get started on my honey cinnamon vanilla butter. I'm just gonna whip up some butter here. Add in some honey, some vanilla extract, and a little bit of cinnamon, and whip it into the butter. Perfect, there we go. And our cornbread is done. It's got that beautiful brown edges, and you can just top it off with either a glaze of honey or some butter. And there you have it, folks. Some good old sweet cornbread.